guys, today is Monday. There's a snowstorm in effect and look at it, we're going to work. Oh my god, it's hard. How can I, the stairs, oh my god, that until my knee. The snowstorm. Look at the truck that's plowing the street. Good. It's hard, and this 10 centimeters of snow. And the pathway is not yet shoveled. Life in Canada, snowstorm today, Monday, and I'm going to work. Life struggle, look at until my knee. I'm wearing my boots and snow pants. And wearing my jacket na pang malakas. Struggle, snowstorm. 1.5 hours waiting for the bus, and we cannot go to the station. Oh, sorry. Life in Canada. Life in Canada. Snowstorm. Took me 1.5 hours waiting for the bus, and then the bus cannot go inside the station because it's still not shoveled. And the floor is so slippery. Because my shoes has grip on the snow, but not on the floor. Hey guys, this is due to lots of the snowstorm today. I had to work like until 11 p.m. 12 hours or 16 hours today just to cover up people that are cold and sick. Okay. And work until 11 p.m. because there's so many sick call stuff today. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, now it's 11 p.m. I'm out in the house morning 6 a.m. because of the snowstorm. I worked 16 hours today and now it's heading home. Look at the afternoon storm. Snow and the sidewalk pile up. It's like mountains. I'm here in downtown Toronto. And still the pathway is not yet clean. It's clean but still icy, snowy. The good thing, if it's just the snowstorm done, it's like raining. If it's before rain or snowstorm, it's so freezing cold, but now it's back to normal, like -5 degrees Celsius. Time to head home. I'm heading home again. Commuter's life. I hope the subway is back to normal. And now it's getting icy. Look at that. It's all the ice built up on the sidewalk. Hey guys, the famous landmark here in Toronto, the CN Tower at night. Almost midnight. I'm here in the subway now.